Wow! It's a vending machine of career figures. I want to buy it! I want to buy it! Wow! There are a lot of professions. I am so excited. Captain! Let's put it together. Let's experience it together. Hello, I am Captain Kiki. Please choose a ship for me. Cruise ship. Cruise ship. Let's go, little captain. Captain Kiki, the Princess Mermaid is captured by the octopus. Can you find them? I'll find the Princess Mermaid. Follow the map to find the octopus and the Princess Mermaid. Hold the button. The Princess Mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going. Keep sailing. Let's go. Go. The destination is in sight. There is a storm. Be careful. Steer the ship to the nearest port. Watch out! The storm is getting stronger. The storm is even stronger. Let's speed up. Yeah! We are at the port. Tie the rope and secure the ship. You are safe from the storm. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. Help! Man overboard! Help! Let's save them! Help! Throw the life buoys to save them! Captain Kiki, all our stuffs fell into the water. Can you help us find them? No problem. Let's get everyone's stuff back. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect them. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter. Thank you, Captain Kiki. The sea fog here is thick. Be careful. There are so many bats! Let's get rid of them! There are so many... You are outside the foggy area safely. Keep sailing. Let's go! Here comes the pirate. Let's defeat him!
I will get you!
Let's tap on the fruit.
I will be back.
You have defeated the pirate! Great job! The Princess Mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going! Captain Kiki, we failed to catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Help me find these fish. Here are fish for you. Thank you, Captain Kiki. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. The Princess Mermaid is on that island. The Princess Mermaid is right here. We need to unlock this coded lock before entering. Slide the coded lock to find the correct shape. Slide the coded lock to find the correct shape. Welcome, Captain Kiki. Mr. Octopus wants to make friends with us. What do you think of it? Really?
That's right. Let's be friends and enjoy delicious food together.
Okay. I like sailing on the sea. It allows me to help a lot of people. Wow, here are the coins from my hard work.